Guys, today I'm going to be playing this game. Her name, what the heck is even that? Okay, so it's like this, and then up, and then that. So, anyways, yeah, today I am playing Roblox Ripple minigames. So I lost for this round. Here's my character. What? How did she win? She got 10. What does that mean? Does these mean it's points? Or people we knocked off? She must have knocked off that many people? What? I didn't even knock off anyone. Or something. How did they knock off? What does that even mean? I don't know. Oh, next pick game. Pick next game. Or oh, I don't have enough gems. Cancel. Not buying no games. No. Go to voting. Take the vote. I want you to vote. Let me vote. How do I go to voting? I can't vote. Oh, okay. Gladiator deathmatch. Get as many kills as you can before time runs out. You respawn in this game mode. Oh, so we'll get to respawn in the game. Good, because I think I'm gonna die. What? I have a sword and a gun on the side of my pants. Am I the only one that noticed that? Kill, 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 kill. I gotta go in first person. It's better for me. Ready? Ready to die? What? Oh no! Get me off it. I think I exited out. I think it exited me out of it. Dude, this always happens. It made me exit out of it. I don't know what Amazon music. Sorry about that, guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Today I am playing. Why is there a fish right there? Okay, I'm playing some Ripple mini games. And tell everyone to say hi to YouTube. Hi to YouTube. So you have to put YouTube in Roblox. I'm playing Ripple mini games on Roblox. Say hi. No, you know what? Who cares? Let's spectate. Oh, here's a pumpkin. Oh, I want to play that game. That'll look fun. It's where you get to be things, and the people have to find you. It's like Blocks Hunt. I want to play really bad now. But I'll maybe make another video of me playing Blocks Hunt, not Bloxburg, Blocks Hunt. Oh, there goes another guy. Sorry, I'm really tired. Joey! Joey! Say hi! Hey, Joey! Hey, Joey! This is Joey. Okay, there you go. Anyways, that's Joey. I died. TV. Here we walk. Gonna walk through here. Oh, well, we're not, but this guy's. What the heck? That's so good. Oh, she's just killing every one of them. Oh, there they go, the twins. Oh, I thought there was a like in one of the little things in the game. The player like turned into it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We're just gonna sit here this whole time.